Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm squeezed into the back of a MK2 Audi TT 2-litre TDI. Now, to be honest, the engine capacity is irrelevant because they all have the same interior, parts and whatever else. It's just the mechanicals that's slightly different. So on today, it's just a quick one to show you how to adjust the handbrake cables on one of these. And some people will lead you to believe you have to strip the whole console out to do it, and you don't. It's so much easier than that. All you need is either a thin screwdriver, I use a plastic trim tool, and I use a little 90-degree pick tool, which helps you get in like little thin areas and give it a decent pull. So in the back, what you have is this little tray, like a phone holder or whatever. Obviously, I've already taken this out just so it's easier to show you how to do it. And I just use the little pick tool, get underneath the rubber, take it out, and underneath you've got this blank. Now there's 4 feet, one in either corner, with little metal clips, and you've got a gap there and a gap there. And what I did is I put my little hook underneath and just give it a good short sharp pull, and it sounds like you're breaking plastic, but what you're actually doing is just popping the clips. So if I actually take it out, I'll show you what I mean. So underneath, are these 4 little clips that go in the holes, as you can see. And then if we put a torch in here, there's the handbrake cable, and it's just that 10mm nut there. And as you can see, this is off center because the right hand cable is snapped, which I will be replacing in a minute. So what I'm going to do now is, all you need to do when it's set, when it's right, is pull the handbrake up and down, and just as you can see, it goes up and down, and you just wind it up so that you've got about 3 or 4 clicks on the handbrake with it adjusted, and that is literally it. It's nothing more complicated than that.